Today, I'm going to show you how I make over $1,000 every single day copy trading influencers, professional traders, and insiders. Meme coins have been absolutely blowing up, Solana going to $260. We are currently in the biggest meme coin season this space has ever seen. So, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So, the first step of the tutorial, you want to go on dextrainer.com and look in newly created coins, or what's currently trending in the past 24 hours. That's how we're going to find a profitable wallet to copy trade, which is currently active. So you don't find an old profitable wallet, which was maybe pulling in a lot of money, but then it stopped trading and now it's dead. Look for coins which are new and have a market cap of over $1 million. So, for example, we have this coin called Pimling right here. You're sitting at $1.4 million market cap, and it seems pretty promising. Next up, you want to click this button called Top Traders right here, which shows us the top traders of this token. Right here, for example, you can see how much this trader invested and how much they sold just by trading this one single token. So we need to find traders which put in small amounts and actually trade it up from a small amount to a big amount, because I'm assuming you're watching this video to find these people to copy trade. However, there's a small issue of this trader bought XRK tokens and sold 18 million. So you want to avoid wallets like that. I've made previous videos about copy trading, but here we go. 6.3 million and sold same amount and made $19,000. You can keep looking for better people to copy trade. However, I'm going to just use this as an example. If we click right here, we can see when he bought and when he sold. So this trader bought in right at the start when token was created, 30 minutes after it was created, bought in at 300k, 750k, and started selling right at the top, basically when the coin was at 8 million market cap. That is a very good ROI. So just from this research, you can see this trader is betting, well, not small amounts, but amounts that most people have, and making tens of thousands of dollars. And you can keep looking for a person which maybe put in $10 and turn that into, for example, 10k. It just takes time. Everything takes time. Be patient. So let's get his wallet. Click right here, and this will open SolScan, which is just basically the blockchain. And let's copy his wallet. And next, you want to go on autosnipe.ai. I've already covered this. However, it's one of the best copy trading bots there currently is. It's completely free, but I've made a few videos about it in the past. So you want to just connect your wallet. It's very simple. If you want to use autosnipe, go on the link down below in the description. You get 10% off lifetime on all your fees, and it will help a brother out. I actually forgot to mention that this bot is one of the only bots which uses AI to trade. So once you sign up for autosnipe, you're going to press the button called copy trading. And as you can see, I've already got someone I was copy trading earlier. I've not got any Solana in the balance right now, but I'll add it in a few minutes. But you want to paste in the wallet address that we got from Dextrainer, or just any wallet address you got that you want to copy trade. You click it, and this will open our settings. So right now, I've not got any trading history because we haven't started copy trading yet. And it's actually really simple to start copy trading within just 2 minutes like that, and you're copy trading. So right here, we can name our copy trader. So this is the Pimling copy trader. So Pimling top trader. You can leave it as the wallet address. However, it's a bit better just to, name it so you remember what it is exactly. And now we have two options. We have buy exactly for or buy in percent of actual trade. So for example, if the person that you're copy trading buys one Solana of any random coin, do you want to buy the same exact amount in Solana or percentage of the actual trade? So for example, if you type in 20%, once he buys in with 1 Solana, you buy in with only 0.2 Solana. However, the buy exactly for works a bit different. So if you type in 0.1 Solana, even if the person you're copy trading buys 1 Solana worth, you'll buy in 0.1 or however much you put in. Percentage, top trader buys in 1 Solana, you type in, for example, 20%, you'll buy in for 0.2. If you type in 100%, you will follow his buy exactly. So if he buys 10 Solana, you will buy 10 Solana. But it doesn't exactly work that way, so don't get completely burned. You can set like limits. But if you're a beginner, I recommend setting buy exactly for. So the next option, total Solana to allocate. This is basically how much Solana you're willing to put into this trader while you're copy trading them. If you put 1 Solana, let's say this person buys 20 times and you have buy exactly for 0.1 per buy order, then it will stop copy trading this person after 10 transactions once it hits 1 Solana or however much you put in. So it's sort of like a stop loss kind of thing, not exactly, but it basically makes it so you don't get completely burned if anything happens. I recommend having this on as well. If you're a beginner, I would just do what I'm doing right now. Next up, we have coin pair platform. And what this is, basically you have Radium and pump.fun. You can have both. For example, if you don't want to copy trade pump.fun buys, then you just turn it off. If you don't want to copy trade your Radium buys, then you also turn it off. But if you want to do both, you can do that, and vice versa. This is, for example, if you have different sort of risk management, so you don't buy in. So if you're copy trading someone who buys out of pump.fun coins when it would be a good idea to, have pump.fun on, maybe radium as well. It completely depends. You'd have to research the individual you're copy trading, but I like to leave this on both, as long as the person you're copy trading isn't, some person who loses all of their money every single trade. And next thing we have is stop loss trigger, and this is very important to set up. Don't skip out on this. It's basically if you already have a position in, so you copy traded someone and the trade isn't going your way, how much are you willing to lose the most before your position sells out? So this really depends as well. I like to do personally, depends how much you're playing with essentially, but what I do is do around 35% to 40 when I'm normally copy trading people. But when I like to copy trade a bit more risky, for example, pump.fun coins, I do like 90%. It depends who you're copy trading, obviously. But if you're a beginner, I recommend setting this to somewhere around 35 or 40%, because 20 or 30% dip seems like a lot, and it is. Meme coins, they go up, down, up, down, up, down. So you need to figure out what your stop loss will be, because there's no concrete answer. And then you have manual exit / sell strategy. And this is really important as well, because this will actually make or break if you make money. So first, let's remove everything real quick. So for example, I would like to sell 20% of my entire trade once we're at, for example, 100% profit. But what I like to usually do, because like I said, there's no concrete number, but let's say this person who you're copy trading, this Pinling top trader, buys a lot of pump.fun coins, which moon, which really send a lot, then you would have different values essentially compared to someone who scalp trades, buys in, a few seconds later sells out. For those people, you have more safe bets, but for people like this, you want to play a bit on the riskier side. It depends how you want to play it. But let's do that, and then you can add another, for example, sell 50% of our entire trade once we're at 250% profit. So 3.5x. And then we can sell, for example, another 10% at, for example, 1000% profit. And actually, if you change this up a little bit, we can leave a small moon bag, so 10%, which will sell at, for example, 10,000% profit. It's just a small example. All right, so I changed it up a little bit, 20% here, 10% here. But you understand, you need to think how you want to play this, because I'm showing you right now, but you need to use your brain by yourself a little bit, because trading meme coins is really competitive. If you know what you're doing, you can make a ton of money. You can literally print it hand over fist, but you need to know what is right for you. So this is something I would sort of do. I'd change it up a little bit more, but for a beginner, this is perfect in my opinion. If you want to try finding the next chill guy coin, the next sender off of pump.fun basically. But okay, I remember there's no guarantee that you can make money. You can also lose money just as easily. That's why it's important to have a good trading strategy. And you also have transaction fees like right here, minimum threshold for copying buy trades, and etc. But yeah, if you press activate copy trading, it will start. You will now start trading. When this person buys a coin, you will copy him. I want to show you the Autotype Twitter real quick, just before we go. They actually post people who win and make money off of copy trading on their Twitter. Right here, we got this person called Justin Daly, and you can see people are making insane amounts of money. So that's the end of the video. Join the Telegram down in the description below, because I'm launching my own meme coin soon, which is gonna have its own trading bot. It's gonna be a utility coin. And also watch this right here. Join my Telegram. If you message me and show me you watch at least 80% of all of my videos, I'll send you a little something. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.